Ground United 85 Heavy is on clearing 22 right at Echo for Delta Lima.
United 85 Heavy Newark, ground, XDB Alpha to the ramp.
For the ramp, United 85 Heavy.
United 85 Heavy, did it tell you how long it might be before they have the staff and the support yet?
That should be just a moment. We see them gathering United 85 Heavy.
Roger.
And Jazz 881, we've got United in front of us. Looks like they've got a fire near their main right wheel.
United 85, did you copy that?
Say again?
Right wheel appears to have a fire. The Dreamliner, Jazz 881, correct?
Affirmative, Jazz 881.
Roger, thank you.
We can see it too, United 1429, definite fire on the right wheel. Let's go.
Alright, roll crash fire rescue for United 85 Heavy.
Newark ground, truck 1.
1 Newark ground.
Truck 1 and company holding short, 29 at Sierra for crossing.
1 cross runway 29 are at Sierra.
Truck 1 and company crossing 29 at Sierra. Do you have any further on that alert 2 at Alpha Romeo Lima?
Did 85 Heavy, say souls and fuel.
99, 395 on Victor, going Alpha 14.
Everybody standing by for taxi, I'll call you. 85 Heavy, say souls and fuel on board.
309 with 2 hours of fuel, 16,300 pounds.
Copy that, truck 1.
Newark ground from truck 1. All units off runway 29, crossing complete.
1 Roger, and the Dreamliner reported 309 souls on board, 2 hours of fuel, 15,300 pounds. 20 copy.
Negative, Newark ground, go with your message again.
Truck 1, 309 souls on board, 2+ hours of fuel, or 2 hours of fuel, sorry, 15,300 pounds of fuel.
Copy.
And ground United 1429, they just blew a tire that appears to have blown the fire out. They blew a tire which appears to have blown the fire out.
To have the plane turn off both engines, there seems to be fog flame by the rear left tire.
At 85 Heavy, shut the engines down.
We're shutting them down now. We did feel the tire blow, United 85.
Steps on truck 1.
Be advised, product was put on the wheel. Flame has dissipated from the rear landing gear at this time. Could you advise pilots to go to discrete?
Once again, that last part again. At 85 Heavy, change to my frequency 134.05 for the truck.
Say again, 134.
05 for the truck.
134.05.